How's it going, everyone? Mike here. August 16th, Merch by Amazon sales update. I'll do a quick video basically just to look at the numbers here and compare them to July, maybe even June. But so far, it's kind of going as expected. If you've seen any of the last few sales update videos, daily numbers are kind of flat. They're low. But the weekly and the monthly numbers, and especially if we're looking at all the marketplaces, these are the U.S. Numbers. It's this month is actually outperforming July, which is really good because I kind of thought that there would be a bit of a drop in sales this month, but it looks like so far, again, halfway through the month, I haven't seen that. So that's actually really good. So let's dive into these numbers, and then we'll talk about some things as they come up. So 100 sales. So it was a nice triple digit number. I have cracked 100 halfway through the month. That means, like I said, if it continues at this pace, and hopefully it's going to pick up because, like I said, daily sales are low, I will outperform the month by enough to make me happy. $1,859.02 in sales for the total royalties of $370.79 up to today, which equals $3.70 in royalties per sale. And again, this is exactly where I want to be. This number used to be a lot lower for me. Now it's staying above 3, sometimes, depending on the week and products that sell, it goes up to $4. So that's where I want to be. Monthly, like I said, halfway through the month, and I'm at 100, which is really good. July, as you can see, 199. So there's actually a possibility that this month might outperform the last 4 months. I don't think we're going to get up to 259 and over that, but we definitely might get over 217. I'm hoping that I'm definitely going to crack 200. 135 total sales. So this is really good, right? And like I was mentioning in previous videos, royalties are adding up. Like, look at these numbers: 15 Japan, 9 Germany, 5, 3, 2. So okay, whatever. Spain is barely holding on, but at least there's one sale, and so 135 again. First thing in the morning. That means that today's sales are still about to come in. But if we compare it to, let me actually go, and I'm not sure why this keeps throwing me around, but if we look at the first 15 days of July, the difference is about 10 to 11 sales lower. So less than this month so far. And again, I was actually happy with last month, and I think I'm going to be happy with this month as well. The last thing I'll mention is I've actually signed up for a new service, and I'm going to test that out. I'm kind of excited because right now with these kinds of, let's see where we are, these kinds of upload numbers, I really want to make sure that not only the quantity of my designs is there, but also the quality. And the service that I'm talking about is Vexel. So this is just like a quick skim through. I guess I can do a video on the service as well. And basically what this is these are designs that are ready to go. There's different plans that you can sign up for. And right now I'm in this one, merch plan. Basically what it gives you is 100 downloads per month. You get a few requests. Like, there's a bunch of services that these guys offer, and what's cool is actually that you get a license. You can actually download a license with every single design. So if anybody ever approaches you about your designs, you do have that license to sell them. And as you can see here, like, they're pretty cool. And then you can go by trending designs. You can go by latest designs, and then the categories and everything. They're pretty amazing. So this is very convenient, very easy. They offer, for example, if I was to download this one, there's a number of types of files that are offered. So Photoshop, if you're not into, PNGs, JPEG, whatever you're using, these are ready to go. So anyways, I'll do a video if anybody's interested in these guys, and we'll talk about all the services that they offer. Right now, I think this is completely worth it, especially because of the quality of the designs. Like, this is not, these designs are not amateurish. It's not a joke. Again, I'm using these for merch specifically. Of course, you can put these on anything. It doesn't even have to be t-shirts. It could be phone cases, pop sockets. Basically, what I'm trying to say is these are ready to go. These are professionally done designs. So taking that into consideration, so these new tools that I'm using, Merch Informer, Vexels, there's a strategy change that I made with pricing my products lower, and taking all that into consideration, I want to see what the changes look like over the next couple of months. All of this does take time to kind of go into effect. I'm thinking I'm going to see the biggest difference during Q4, so going into October, November, December. And I'm going to see if all of this work, all these changes, all of this information that I'm using are actually paying off. And not only that, but the sheer number of products that I have live right now, 56,000, as you can see here, I'm thinking that has to come into effect sometime. Because, for example, if I'm looking at some of these products here that are selling, and sorry, they're blurred for you guys, but I do have a couple of my regular sellers. But again, a lot of these, and look as I'm scrolling through, a lot of these are actually new products, and that's what I like to see. The other thing is, most of my sales that I get through the international, the different marketplaces that are not the US marketplace, are new products. And I understand that basically the case is, well, you didn't have a lot of products until a few months ago. That's true. But I did have, let's say, a couple thousand, right? So the fact that I have now a lot more in every single marketplace, I'm counting on all of those things to kind of fall into place together, and for me to see some kind of changes, over the next couple of months and then going into next year. I think it's going to be very, very exciting. So anyways, I'm going to drop a link to that new website, new service in the comments. I'll probably update all my comments on the descriptions on the channel. You guys can check it out. If you have any questions, specific ones about the service, let me know, because like I said, I do plan to do videos on Vexels. I will continue to do videos on Merch Informer, because I know you guys love those, because it's very helpful information. And then anything else that comes up, I've done videos on Fiverr services, and how you can order 25,000 designs, and it costs $30 or whatever the case is, and then we can compare quality, we can compare quantity, and all that kind of stuff. But for now, this kind of stuff, it stands out. But again, the averages are creeping up, and the monthly sales are there, and my overall monthly sales are again outperforming July. So even though there's not a lot of activity, I'm not expecting crazy activity for August, it's still there. The sales are coming in, which is perfect. And as you can see here, this is working. My Merch Titans automation tool is working in the background, and I'm uploading products right now. And my priority is actually to upload Vexels products every single day before anything else, because I actually do like them. I like the designs. I think they're exciting. There's definitely certain niches that I do not have currently up for sale, and we'll see how those designs perform. Anyways, I'll wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon.